Tires are produced every day inside enormous industrial factories. The process begins with raw materials such as natural rubber, synthetic rubber, and chemicals. These materials are carefully transported to the production area. Each ingredient is measured precisely to ensure the right rubber formula.
That's 30.0 kilograms, check.
This precision ensures consistent quality and performance in the final product. Powerful mixers combine the ingredients into a flexible rubber compound. The hot rubber compound is rolled into long sheets for further processing. Machines cut the rubber into pieces that will form different parts of the tire. Strong steel wires are prepared to reinforce the tire structure. These steel belts give the tire strength and stability. Multiple layers are carefully assembled to create the tire structure. Advanced machines shape the tire with incredible precision. The tread layer is added to provide grip and traction on the road. At this stage, the tire is still soft and unfinished. The tires are then moved to the curing process. Heat and pressure transform the rubber into its final strong form. The mold also stamps the detailed tread pattern onto the tire. After curing, the tire becomes durable and ready for use. Each tire is carefully inspected for quality and safety. Machines test the tire to ensure it performs perfectly. Additional tests confirm the tire's strength and reliability.
The sidewall held up perfectly under pressure.
Yes, the data shows excellent consistency.
Important specifications are printed on every tire. The finished tires are organized and prepared for shipping. Forklifts move the tires across the storage facility. Finally, the tires are shipped to car manufacturers and tire shops around the world.